fabulous custom 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2-car garage on 2.7 acres. Only the finest materials were used when constructing this home. Wonderful floor plan features a beautiful custom kitchen with stainless steel appliances and natural edge granite countertops, butler's pantry, dining area, lovely living room with French doors and fireplace, and beautiful custom bath. Other features include a spacious media room, upscale hardwood and travertine flooring, and coffered ceilings. You will love entertaining and the wonderful views in the oversized upstairs Florida room with fireplace. Additional upgrades include impact glass windows and doors, beautiful wood moldings and window casings, Icynene insulation, and the list just goes on. Sit and enjoy the peace and serenity of Indian Hammock on the multiple porches. Room for your horses in the large fenced pasture. Community has private airport, skeet and trap, gun range, pool, gym, tennis, stable, restaurant, and miles of trails on 3,600 acres.